Oh, no, 2 years from now, you know what I'm saying? We got two. Yeah, but next time, two, yeah. So
We can talk for you.
basically almost 2 years. Yeah. Coming what? Late next year?
Yeah. Well, if you remember,
Somebody had to
it
accept
always
it on
seemed like
behalf of
every year,
the behalf
Tony
of the
would
council.
say that they were doing.
See, this is the problem, is I can't get everybody in the.
It's always.
Do you used to move?
No, I'm just where you,
Get the
you all
hell
either need to be closer together or something, if you all wanna be on
Hit
the.
deer once.
Or Michelle, you need to switch
Then one
places
time,
with
the golf
Rob.
cart fell off the
Make sure you
trailer.
rub on him
That was
some.
the most recent one.
Super sick. Oh, you got
Then we had one that wrecked out there on, Lexus Flat, I mean.
That works, you for an hour.
Wrecked one.
Video.
And,
Yes, he's not Lyon County.
Where's your family?
Hey, Ryan, can you
Yeah,
hear me? Hey, Chris sent out those answers to those questions that you had. Did you get a chance to review those? Everybody else?
I didn't see the questions.
Well, Ryan sent out, and Ryan, did you copy everybody on that, or was that just?
I think I just sent it to you and Chris.
Yeah, and then Rick, the response, Chris just replied all to everybody today because I asked him to send out that information. But the biggest piece of information was the fleet information and the mileage and the years of the equipment. And then I don't know if JR is sitting in there, but JR is going to get on here. And we still have 3. We're still down 3. JR got 1 back in action. And then I think the other question you asked, Ryan, was about the ability to get a loaner from someone, nearby. But I think Chris can answer this, confirm this, but I think the company offered us a loaner as well. Rob Jones, you feeling better? You don't look any better.
Hold on, better. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah. And you all, I'm in Somerset. I'm actually in Rockcastle County right now, heading back. But we ordered a big dumpster, and I've been helping clean up my mother-in-law's house.
Appreciate that seatbelt being on while you're zooming. Thank you.
Zoom with safety.
I need one. I'm about to fall out of this chair. Sleep. Oh. These 3 are, one one of them's the rec, one of them,
Yeah.
109,
No,
That's
this is
the
actually
red one.
gonna be in before that.
and these two are out of service
Yeah.
for something. That's all.
I mean, remember-
Stacy's here.
All right, great.
They were trying to get away, we're trying to go to Chevy's and get away from Fords, and then we had to end up buying Fords. Okay, so we're going away from Chevy. Going back to Ford.
Are you sick of Ford?
Sheriff, no. This
No,
is-
the sheriff say
They're wanting to explore.
they've gone everywhere. They've had everything.
Just having a sniffle right in the second.
She's sick, now she's sick.
I'm not sick. I'm not big sick.
Yeah.
Too mean.
Oh, my God.
There you go. Yeah, I just need to get that.
5, 7.
Yeah. That's right. Yeah, I know.
David, Kelly.
and is that Dwayne?
Now it's JR. And Cam. Kelly, David.
Joe Pat.
Hey, David,
Hey, Joe.
how are you?
4 bells.
What George Leslie do, bam. Go,
Can you guys scare me for roll call?
I can hear you, Stacy. So it's 4 o'clock. If I can hear Stacy, Zach's streaming our meeting. I'll go ahead and call our meeting to order. So we are calling to order a special called meeting of the Scott County Fiscal Court for one agenda item. And today's date, I believe, is the 8th. Is that right?
7th.
7th. Thank you for that correction. So let the record reflect today is April 7th, and this is a special called meeting of the Scott County Fiscal Court. I'll ask Stacy Hamilton to call the roll.
Ross Taylor,
Here.
Mr. Jones,
Here.
Mr. Wallace.
Here.
Mr. Corman,
Present.
Mr. Ellison. Mr. Pratt,
Here.
Mr. Livingston,
Here.
Culbertson.
Here.
Pennington.
So with that said, we have a quorum. Let the record reflect that we have a quorum and that we can proceed with business. And the one agenda item on this special called meeting agenda is to consider authorizing me to sign a contract to purchase using the Sourcewell cooperative purchasing agreement that we belong to, an ambulance. So,
Hey, Judge, I make a motion
yes, sir.
to give you the permission to purchase the ambulance.
All right, so we have a motion on the table. Is there a second or any questions or comments? Let me ask again, did I hear a second?
I'll make it second if nobody said anything.
Third.
Okay. So we have a first, we have a motion, we have a second. I will make a few comments. I talked to JR today at length, and JR was going to recommend or is recommending to the court as well that we go ahead and purchase, consider this purchase. Just looking at the fleet and the age on the other apparatus, and knowing that we will get some money from insurance, not knowing what exactly, but we will get some. And knowing that this vehicle being available in June just makes a real big difference, especially with where we're at. So, are there any other questions or comments? We do have a first and a second. So, with that being said, no other comments. All those in favor, please say aye.
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 Are there any nays? That said, we passed the motion unanimously, and I will keep you all informed about any insurance information we get, and then I'll share the signed contracts with you as well once we navigate that and try to navigate that tomorrow. Chris, will you let them know that we've approved moving forward, and then Cam had given you some comments. Could you ask them to make the adjustments to the contract that Cam has requested?
Yeah, Uriah forwarded that revised contract to you. I'll make sure it gets to Cam as well. I'm not sure if he included Cam, but that should be in your inbox. And
Okay.
we'll make sure that
Okay,
Cam,
so he already made those changes, Chris, is that right?
yes.
Okay.
I have confirmed that, but he emailed back and said it was revised. So
Okay, sounds good.
yeah, I'll get it.
We'll
over.
double check it. We'll
Sure.
double check it and get it done. And then I did want to tell everybody that I informed Mayor Jenkins of the situation last Friday and let him know what we were doing and that I would follow up with him. But with this being able to put the money down from the insurance settlement on this side and then paying the balance out of next year's budget, unless Michelle says, hey, we've got money out of this line, that, of course, we'll bring that back to you all before we do any of that. But we'll move forward with sign that contract and go from there. Is there a motion to adjourn?
Already been given.
All right, we got a motion. Is there a second?
Second.
All right, all those in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
All right, thank you all for your help and being flexible, and we'll talk soon. We're adjourned. Thanks.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.